Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your old call history on your iPhone. Now, one option, of course, is just to open up the phone app and tap on Recents, and it will show you that call history. However, it doesn't show you everything, and let's say you swiped left and maybe deleted part of that call history. You can always check a couple other places. Let's hop out here and open up your settings. Within your settings, first we're going to tap on your name at the very top. And now you can see here midway down is iCloud. Let's just tap on that. And now you can see save to iCloud, and we're going to check to see if those phone calls are saved to your iCloud. So let's tap on see all and then scroll down until you find phone and FaceTime. So essentially what you're going to do is turn this off for a second. This will disconnect your phone app from iCloud and then turn it back on. And this will reinitiate everything and download all of those phone contacts or that call history to the recent history on here. So do that and see if it populates with all of the calls now. If it doesn't do that, let's head back into the settings and let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. And from here, let's scroll down to the bottom until we find apps at the very bottom. And now we're just going to go to the phone app. So scroll down until you get to the section for P, and there it is. Just tap on phone. Now on here, one good trick is to use the ability to check your call history on other devices. If you have calls on other devices and this is turned on, which is turned on for my MacBook Pro, I can just check that other device to see the entire call history, including lots of old calls. Now, if you don't have this or it's not on there, there is another option to be able to see all of those calls, even past the last 100, because a lot of times the phone app will just give you 100 calls and then it will cut it off at a certain point, or it might have deleted them all. So depending on your specific phone, you can see mine goes back to about August of 2025. Now, another option is to open up a web browser here, and I have AT&T. So I'm just going to type in AT&T call logs. Now, just type in your browser or your carrier rather, whatever carrier you have, and hit access your call history. You can see here if I scroll down, it will give me my call history. I can go down and download the call history logs in PDF format or CSV, whatever I want. It will show me the exact date and time and the incoming or outgoing calls and phone numbers. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.